After hearing the news of Hurricane Dorian's damage to the Bahamas, students all across campus have been trying to help in any way. The Caribbean Student Association, alongside some other groups at FAU, decided to pitch in as well.
So this is kind of like a unity team effort. With unity team, this means like multiple organizations across FAU. It's like a collective effort. We know what happened with Hurricane Dorian, so we just came together to put our collective ideas together to make this unity drive. Basically, we're collecting materials like goods that will be needed, such as water. We have canned goods. We have hygiene products, stuff of that matter, and then the activities that we got going on. First things first, we have packaging, because we got to package the things right now. Secondly, we're writing letters to the Bahamas, like encouraging letters to know that it's going to be okay, like the support system, like morale. And then also we actually have 2 delivery trucks outside that we're going to help carry the materials into. That's why we're packing right now. I appreciate everyone who did come out here and help with the efforts of Hurricane Dorian. If you want to continue to help, do your research. There are multiple relief programs that are actually still looking for materials. This was just like something to make it more local, because we know a lot of people, they can't really drive out and go deliver this stuff. So that's why we have the trucks come here and get them right here. So just help out how you can.